Hello guys, today we have the Redmi Airdots from Xiaomi. Are they good enough? Let's find out. Okay guys, so these are the Redmi Airdots. This is the case. It looks it feels like plastic, not very high quality, but looks good. It used the USB, the normal USB. Okay, the cable does not come in the box with it, so you'll have to have your own normal USB cable. And then if we open it up, you can see the two Airdots, left and right one. Okay, when they are full charge, the light will go off. When you press them in, they are holding with a certain like magnet, okay, so they don't fall off. Okay, so you can either do this and the one fall off. That's it. Okay, so according to my test, I've been using this for 1 week now. So in terms of battery life, you have like a maximum of maybe 4 hours depending on your usage. But if you're playing like continuous music or entertainment, movies, it will last you around maybe 2.5 hours depending on the level of the volume you're using. So in terms of the sound quality, it's pretty okay, good compared to other headphones I've been using, like the wired one or the other cheap Bluetooth headphone I've been using. The quality is okay. It's not very perfect, but it's okay. It's a little bit turned down, like the quality of the volume is a little bit turned down in terms of bass. So the case, it can charge the earbuds is said about, maybe you may charge it more, like maybe 4 times, so like 8 hours. So if you have this case, you can use this Airdots for around 8 hours. So if the charge goes off, you just press them in and it will continue charging them. So I think you can charge them maybe 2 or 3 times using the case before the charge goes off from the case. So what I've observed, if you're planning to buy this for fitness use, I will strongly advise you to find another brand or another Bluetooth earphones which have a better locking mechanism. Because if you look at this, yeah, when you put it in your ear, it fits well, and if you shake your head, it doesn't fall. Yes, when you're seated or when you're standing, you do that, it doesn't fall. So if you're using it for home use, office use, it's perfect. But the moment you start doing heavy activity, running, lifting weights, activity that makes you sweat, or in a hot environment, they'll start dropping off. So if your ear is sweaty, they will drop off, because the only locking mechanism they have is this. So this one, if you put in your ear, it will just tighten, okay. But the moment this one becomes a little bit wet or you're sweating, it will drop off. Every time you put it in, it will just drop off. You have to dry your ear and put it again, it will still drop off. So for fitness use, I wouldn't advise anyone to get this unless you're patient. If you're patient, yes, but if you're not, you're impatient, I wouldn't advise this. Find other better Bluetooth headphones with a good locking mechanism to your ear, then they'll do great. So now I'm gonna show you in terms of range, okay. Bluetooth range, it's used the Bluetooth 5.0. so if you're just going to the kitchen or maybe 10-20 meters, it's perfect. It works perfect. That's how far I've tested it. So 20 meters, it still works perfect. The sound quality is okay. You can also use this with Google Assistant. I will show you in few minutes. So now I'm gonna try and show you how to pair it. So in terms of pairing, you take them both off, and then the first thing you have to do is try to sync them both. So you just long press, okay, you'll see red light on both. Okay, wait for it. Okay, you keep holding, it will flash. Okay, now it's not flashing because they're already paired. If it's the first time, they'll flash like 2 times, then you have to press again. You will see white light here and white light here. They'll try to synchronize. When they're synchronized, it means they're paired. So when they're paired, you have to, this is the right one, if you can see, yeah, this is the right, you see there's R there, and then the left one, you can see the L. So when you go to your device, whether it's laptop or phone, look for the right air dot, not the left. So when you go to the Bluetooth, when you are pairing, choose the Redmi Airdots right with the R. So when you pair with the right, it will pair both of them. So because the left one is synced to the right and the right one is paired to your device. So now I'm gonna show you how it works with Google Assistant. So okay, it's paired on my phone already. So I'll just put the left there. I have the right. Okay, this is my phone. Okay, my phone is locked. Okay, I'll put it there. And you have, for Google Assistant, you have to double tap this. Okay, so now I'll show you the Google Assistant. So what will I do? I'll take the left one and then I'll put it near the mic on my camera so that you may hear what is it the feedback. So I'll double tap. Hey Google, increase the brightness to 100.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that, but I'm always learning.
Okay, I have to put it near my mouth. Okay, so I'll double tap again. Hey Google, increase the light to 100%.
Okay, setting light bulb brightness to 100%.
As you can see, my light is up there, so let me change the color to blue. So I'll double tap again. This is the right one. Okay, I'll double tap. Hey Google, change the light to blue.
Sure, changing light bulb to blue.
Okay, so as you can see, I can use it with my Google Assistant, which is connected to my E-light. The video is up. I'll link it up if you want to see it on the top right corner. I'll link it there on the description if you want to see the video how I did the pairing of the E-light. So as you can see, I can use this one for Google Assistant even when my phone is locked. So this is a very good feature for me personally. So when I come from gym or from the office, I just double tap. If I'm using them, double tap and then say hey Google, turn on the lights in my room, then it will turn on the light. So that's a very good feature for Google Assistant. Just double tap and then you can say hey Google or okay Google, and then you can use it. So that's a very good feature. So now I'm going to show you another thing I found about how to improve the sound quality of this AirDots when you're using your laptop. Increase the bass, do other tweaks to make the sound better. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to connect it to your laptop, and then there's some features in order to enhance the sound quality of this. So the first thing I'll do is take my phone, because they are paired to my phone right now. Okay, I'll open my phone, then I'll go to the Bluetooth, and then I'll turn it off. Okay, because I want to pair it with my laptop. You have to do that first. One of the things I want to advise you is, like, when you are using these ones with your laptop, it's just an advice, try to put your laptop in mute. Okay, you see, as you can see here, it's on mute. Okay, there is no sound. And then go to your settings, go to Bluetooth. Okay, if the pairing is very easy, you just go to add device if you want to pair it, but I've already paired it already, so you won't see it here. I'll show you. It's right here. It's in pair device. You can see Redmi Airdots. Okay, just click on it and then press connect. Okay, when they are connected, as you can see, tap to add device. So I'll just go here, say yes, allow. You see it's mute, but it will change the moment they are connected. You'll see there is volume. So now I can use them to play content and everything. One of the things I wanted to show you is how to improve the the sound quality of the AirDots when you're using your laptop, just right click this and then go to open sound settings. Okay, when it's open, just go here, there's sound control, click on it. Okay, I'll drag this one here. As you can see, you find the one which is a little bit moving. Okay, so let's play something. Okay, so it's playing ground. Okay, so I'll scroll down and see which headphone. I'll increase the volume. Okay, so I'm increasing the volume of the player, so now I can see which one I need to adjust. As you can see, this one is the one is going up and down, so I'll tap on it and then you go to enhancement. Okay, here by default all this will be unchecked, the bass, headphone and everything will be unchecked. So you come here, you try and check this and check this. It will make a drastic difference in your sound quality. But if you want to do more, you can go to settings. You click on bass or headphone visualization or any, choose one. If you want to make more adjustment, if you want maybe bass, then you go settings, and here you can control, you can choose the frequency. If you want, you can choose the boost level and then you press OK. That's it. You can also go to the headphone visualization, then you can choose anything you want, which sounds better for you. You can adjust here, which made a lot of difference for me. It improved the quality, also the sound, the bass. It sounds better compared to the default configuration it came with. So with the PC, it's easy just to adjust, which is very useful if you want to use it with your laptop to watch movies or YouTube and anything. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. There are some problems you'll face, the pairing problem. Sometimes they disconnect. You just have to try and repair them. It will take some time, but you have to pair them. So thank you guys for watching my video once again. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me below. Will I suggest anyone to buy this? Yes, if you are buying them for home entertainment or office use, they are perfect. But if you're buying them for sport use or fitness or outdoor running and jogging, I wouldn't suggest this, because they do drop off the moment you start sweating. The moment you start doing heavy intense activities, they drop off. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video of AirDots. Feel free to comment, share, like, and remember to subscribe. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. All details and other information I might missed out, I'll list in the description, and also the product link and other suggestion of more better Bluetooth earphones, I'll also list them in the description. So whatever I forgot to add in the video, I'll list in the description. So check the description, either how to fix the pairing issues or other issues. I'll list them all down below. In the meantime, please, thank you for watching the video. Remember to check my previous year-light video if you want to see how I did the pairing and the Google Assistant. It's in my year-light video. I'll list it up on top corner. Okay, so thank you very much. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Yeah.